Hey, crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's Shopping Sunday, and the Dollar Tree did not disappoint with lots of new fun arrivals this week. So no need to keep you waiting. Let's dive in. So I'm starting off in home decor, and the first thing I noticed were these decorative trays. Okay, so we have seen something similar to this last year, but this year they have stained these in this dark color with the beaded trim. They also have an oval shaped one that's in a lighter blonde stain. I think that these are so really cute. So many things you can do with them. Very, very universal. So if you see these, you do want to grab them. Great for crafts. And I do want to remind you all, Dollar Tree does have an app with a price scanner built in, so you can scan the price of things in the store. This is another new item. Look at these little candles. So these were very impressive. These are LED pillar candles, and they come in a container that looks like glass, but these are actually plastic, and they're tinted with like an auburn color, a light yellow, or a gray. Now, I thought that these were impressive as they were with the light, and they do come with batteries on the inside. No worries about buying an extra battery. I did take one home to check it out, and when I removed the label, you could see that it is a very high-end looking item. So it does look like a candle inside of a glass container. That's what it looks like. It does come with the battery protector. You remove that, flip the switch. And the thing I love is that the light on the inside flickers. So I love that it has that realistic flickering light type of look. For $1.25, these are such an amazing deal, and I suggest you grab them when you see them. Now, speaking of LED candles, this is also an item that has returned from last year that's really popular. These are the glitter candles in silver, gold, green, and red, all the Christmas colors that we all love. These are real candles, and I love this collection with these scents. So it's got that paradise peach and mango. They have the satin wood. Here is that sparkling lychee and pine one. And they also have the island vanilla and cashmere. These are all just $1.25. Now, in the kitchenwares, they have these mason jar lids. I've never seen the divider lids. This is so impressive. You could use it in your craft room for paintbrushes or makeup brushes or whatever you love. They also have this for the kitchen. This is a suction sink container that you suction on the inside of your sink to hold like your sponges and brushes. This is made by Design, a name brand item. I love finding these high-end name brand items at the Dollar Tree. Now, I showed you a bunch of these coasters last week, but I did not see the Winnie the Pooh version, so I had to show you guys. This package actually comes with 4 different coasters in the package, which is such a cute idea. Now, I also did find another sink strainer. I showed you this Mickey Mouse, but I wanted to let you know Minnie Mouse is also available, so keep a lookout for these. Now, these Christmas cups are so cute. So they're like a tumbler with a saying on it, but look at the top. It has a built-in kind of snow globe with little foam balls in there. You can see it has a little snowman hanging out on there. It says "'Tis the season." Now, hiding in the back, they had one with a gingerbread man in there with the little foam balls and the straw. I think these are just so super cute, and it says "Sweet Christmas" on the front. Now, another different one they had is this one, "May your days be merry and bright." It has a Christmas tree on the inside there. This one has multicolor foam balls. I mean, how innovative for them to incorporate a snow globe type style into their Christmas tumblers. Here's another tumbler that is a really cute item. Now, this does have the Christmas design on it, but if you look down inside there, it comes with a light built into the cup. So any beverage you put in there will automatically sparkle. So they have it in a red colorway with Santa on there. And then you could get one with a green with deer and trees. And this one also has the battery in the bottom. Such a little cute item at the Dollar Tree. Now, this was a very impressive item. First of all, it's really great quality and it has that nice lid on top. Now, they have it in red and this one says Joy. They also have this one. This one's really cute and it has Be Jolly on there in the green. And then the last one is blue and it says Sipping Through the Snow. And I'm sure you could put a wine beverage in there, hot cocoa, or whatever you love, but these are actually really great quality. Now, if you remember, these cups made a debut last year, but I know not every Dollar Tree got them. But they are back this year, so good news if you were on the hunt for these, check your stores. They are back. These cups are really neat too. So these are more of a clear type of tumbler cup. This one has winter wishes in red with little snowflakes on it. Very nice winter themed cup. Also, another winter theme is this one with all of the really pretty snowflakes all over. Kind of a neutral design if you didn't want any wording or anything like that. And then the last one is winter as well with seasons greetings on there with those winter trees. It's got the clear lid at the top. These are very unique, very fun, great for Christmas gifts as well. Now look what just popped up and looks like I caught the last of the box. So these are those diamond cut tumblers that are really popular, but these are the ones for the Christmas season. They have them in silver, they had them in the blue color, and they also have them in red. Now there's also a green one, but that one was sold out before I got there, but I wanted to give you a heads up to let you know they are showing up in stores. This little tumbler is really cute too, so I think this is fun for the kiddos. At the top, it has little deer antlers with a straw, and you can get these in a green or a red theme. So adorable. I love these for the kiddos. Now for Christmas decor, they have frosted berries. You can get a glitter frosted. You can get an unfrosted berry in a 36 count. You could get the snow frosted berries. These are larger for a 16 count, or you could go with the white 16 count. I love using these in my DIYs. Now, I love this little container. First of all, it's a lunchbox or a storage box. How cute. They all come in a Christmas theme, even on the back of it. And it has a little metal clasp on the front so you can open and close it. Great for gifts. Great if you just want to put some trinkets inside for Christmas. I think that these are just too adorable and so surprised that they're only $1.25 for this item. I found more tapestry placemats. This Farm Fresh Christmas Trees one is so nice. They do have another one that says Joy. That one is really pretty as well. But my favorite tapestry placemat today is this one with the 3 trees. I think that this is adorable. It would make a gorgeous throw pillow. It does say Merry Christmas on there, so be on the lookout for that one. And for extra bling for your Christmas tree, they have these disco ball style ornaments. I think these are fun. You don't only have to use these for Christmas. You could use these for parties, New Year's, anytime year round that you want a little extra sparkle. Now, if you're putting together gift baskets, the Dollar Tree has you covered with lots of things in the health and beauty. They have these little bath bombs. You could get them in peach berry, vanilla bean, and candy apple, which is nice. And I love that these come in collections because there's even more pieces in it, including this item here, which is the body wash. You could get that in all 3 scents as well to coordinate. Now, the last item I did see is this hand mask. This also comes in all of the 3 different scents. You put these together, add yourself a loofah, a brush, or something like that. I think it would make a really cute gift to give away. So be on the lookout for these. If you're looking for lip balms, they have coffee themed lip balms. So they had caramel macchiato. Here's one that is mocha latte. Here's an espresso shot. We all need one every once in a while, right? I saw this rosebud mint one. That was interesting. You can also get one that's a warm cappuccino, and they also had the French vanilla. So they had something for everyone to choose from as far as the flavors. They also have this large cinnamon bun one. That one's also just $1.25. I love finding name brand items at the Dollar Tree, and I found some Harry's scalp cream. This is such an awesome find, you guys, for $1.25 because this sells for so much more. I did a price comparison. It's selling for $11.61 on Walmart.com, so Dollar Tree for the win. And finally, I found the last set of hand sanitizers. Let me tell you guys, stay on the hunt. Don't give up. You'll find them. So I did find the vanilla sugar cookie and the frosted coconut. It took me a few months, but guys, don't give up. You will eventually find them. Just stay on the lookout. This is an awesome find today. They also have this Preparation H women's hemorrhoid medicated wipes. These are great to have on hand, especially for the postpartum mom, or sometimes you just have that issue. So definitely, this is such a great deal for $125 because I checked at Walgreens. These were selling for $9.79 a piece for the exact same thing. So definitely check that out. I also spotted this. So this is a Lusty brand oil moisturizer for your hair. This is reminiscent of the name brand Pink Lotion. If you're familiar with that, I remember using that years ago. So I definitely picked this up just to give it a try. If you are looking for makeup bags, do not miss this deal. They have a large zippered makeup bag in the cosmetic section at Dollar Tree for just $1.25. This is the largest bag I've ever seen at Dollar Tree. And you can get it in like pink, kind of a bluish periwinkle type of color, a light pink or peachy color. You can get them also in a black shiny or a black matte finish. $1.25 for this huge bag. These will not last. If you're still on the hunt for socks but want something different, check these out. They have individually boxed socks by Fender. They have these Motley Crue socks. Here's a pair with Paul Frank themed socks. They have the Iron Maiden socks. I also saw some for the Space Fan with NASA, and also this one with Slayer. You guys, I'm sure that there's more in this collection. I love that they're ready to gift with the 2 in the front on the back, and these fit sizes from 7 to 12. So yes, definitely be on the lookout for these for Christmas gifts. I found a food item I just had to feature, these Golden Grams soft baked bars. This comes in a 6-pack, you guys. A very, very great deal for $1.25. Now I did do a price check on that as Walmart. $5.14 a box. So definitely a better deal at the Dollar Tree. Now, this isn't a food item, it is a pet item. So for your fur babies, you could get this large squishy Kool-Aid packet, which is really fun. It's got a little crinkly sound. So if you have a kitten or fur baby that loves the crinkly kind of toys, check that out. So now I'm going to walk over to the plus section. There's a few things I wanted to feature, and the first thing were candles. I love when they get new candles out because I'm such a candle fan. You could get the cranberry chutney. They have the fresh and clean version, and they have this one with mint and eucalyptus. I love that they have a variety so I can just switch out my fragrances every day according to my mood. Now they had some different ones as well. If you like that mercury glass type of finish, they have these glass shaped ones. So this one is vanilla cashmere, and it's in a kind of gold mercury glass looking shaped container that looks like a star. They have this one with energizing green, and then they have apple, cinnamon, and red. Now they also have a round one. This one is smoked incense. So you have 4 of them to choose from. Now this is such an amazing deal. These are the 12 days of socks, like 12 days of Christmas. There are 12 pairs of socks in this package, you guys, and this is only marked for $5. So if you take a look, these are all the pairs of socks you get in this package. Now this makes a great gift, and if you want to take them apart and gift them individually, that would be even better. But you get 12 pairs for $5. That is a huge deal. Now there's another interesting item that I found today. So this is like a necklace and bracelet making kit. This is 19 pieces, and it has all the pieces you need to make different necklace and bracelet type of items. I've never seen anything like this in the plus section for $5. It's really great. Now they also have a bracelet making kit. This one has 425 pieces, and this includes a lot of beads, especially with lettering if you want to customize things. That is also $5. Great gift idea. Now we've seen the stainless steel tumblers for $5, but have you guys seen the stainless steel mugs? This is the first time I'm spotting them at the Dollar Tree, and these are all metal, which I can appreciate. They're only $5, and I found them only in mint and black. I love multi-tools. I've been featuring in my last few walkthroughs, and this one also was very impressive. So this is an 8-in-1 tool that has all of these screwdrivers included. It also has a flashlight. So in order to use this tool, it's really easy. You just select the screwdriver that you want, you flip it out, lock it into place, and then go to work. And I love that it's small and compact because you can store it away and it won't get in the way of anything. This is kind of heavy as well, and it's only $5. If you have a messy trunk like me, this is what you need. So this is a cargo organizer. It has a large container and it has mesh pockets on the side. So if you look, it has a divided large container in 3 compartments. You could put all kinds of things in there. And I do love that it's collapsible and has those mesh pockets on the side to put other things that you might need. If you're looking for games, check this out. This was a brand new arrival at Dollar Tree. So they have 100 classic games in this box. I was really impressed with this. So they're showing the 10 different board styles and names that go along with these boards, but they have 100 different games you can play with these same boards. I thought that was so neat. And this is only $5. I think this would be great for the game lover. They also have this tabletop arcade game. I've never seen that before. And this one is also just $5 in the plus section at the Dollar Tree. This large Spider-Man was right next to it. It's 3 feet tall, and it does come with, it's a color and sticker stand-up character. If you have the Spider-Man fan in your family, that is only $5. And then next to that, they have Paw Patrol Suncatcher along with a Minnie Mouse themed sun catcher. So be sure to look out for these gifts. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring even more fun finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today. And if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you could check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know your most excited find at Dollar Tree this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It's absolutely free. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Happy Thanksgiving!